Hi people, say hi to Bua. So it's like few days back I was deciding. God, it's too sunny. So few days back I was just deciding where to go and what tattoo should I make, and this was the entire idea of getting something that I really want and that would connect me from within. And every time I used to see it, I should feel that vibrant enthusiasm within. So I always wanted to get a tattoo that could be more of myself and not with related to someone else and not copied to someone else. And I was looking for some sigils because they are a concept. They have a concept of believing what you have, and they are in a written scripted form that is derived from a lot of introspection, and they have their own stencils to derive that figure. And I was just going around and thinking of what should I do and what should I be. And so I decided to give a proper idea, and then I sat behind and then I drew the whole thing. So now I know what I want to do and what I really want to see on my hand. So I have this thing going on in my left hand. So it's obviously the hand first, where I want to go for the first time, and then it would be somewhere around the body part. And so it's like I'm super excited towards it, but I'm quite nervous with the pain and all that I am expecting it to be, because this is my first tattoo, and I've never experienced something like that before. I've always heard about it, heard stories about tattoos, and that's why I wanted to vlog the whole thing, the whole concept of me deciding it and then me going and getting it for the first time. So yeah, that's it, and let's go. And we are in Lucknow, for all those people who are watching me. So we are in Lucknow and we are gonna get a tattoo in Lucknow. It's an area in Hazratganj, and sorry about the disturbance coming from outside. It's in Hazratganj and it's located near, I'll tell you the address. I'll drop down the whole address and whole idea of the tattoo, as well as the sigil thing that I got from Pinterest. So yeah, let's go. So there is a whole kind of academy going on over there. So people go. At the roundabout, take the 4th exit and stay on Dr. Akalash Das Gupta Mark. Okay. So it's like the academy is also over there, so people go and learn about how to make a tattoo or something. And there are professionals also, so there are different price range, about 1 inch and 2 inches. So we are already obviously gonna go with the professional people. So let's see and discover how it is. So guys, this is the part of Lucknow which is called Hazratganj, and we have reached the spot. This is an amazing place in Lucknow. For all the people who are foodies, must visit it. So it's on the right hand side of Central Bank of India actually. So you would spot this Burger King and you would get right through. This is the place. Amazing interiors it had, and that was the stand where you can just probably lie down. And here we are selecting the design actually. Like I said, I finalized a par symbol, which was a sigil, and that is how I finalized it. Meanwhile he was printing that sigil, we checked out how the tattoo was to be made. So just print. Okay.
Spray.
Okay.
Green coat.
Okay.
Locks. Color. मशीन अभी क्लिप कॉर्ड चेंज होगी.
Okay.
ये पूरा स्टैंड रहा पूरा इस तरह से.
So like he said, everything was new. So take care of it that everything that is being used in this tattoo is either new or being covered up toys. Like this platform cannot be new every time you make a tattoo. So that he covers it twice with the cellophane paper, and that is how we are starting up with the tattoo. So he usually first makes up with the pen or something so that he can recorrect it every time you are not sure of it. once you finalize the placement of the tattoo, you can go ahead.
So we are starting off with the tattoo. So he is the person who's a trained personnel who would be doing the tattoo. So we have first shaved the hands. Whatever there was hair that was remaining, we shaved it off, and then we are starting off the tattoo.
We were sort of unsure of the red color, but yeah, we went up with it and sort of tested it, and we were so happy with the results. So this is how the testing was being done, and then they showed up to me, and I was like very confused first of all, and then I was like, amazing. It turned out to be so good because we did sort of double textured with the red color, and as you can see, it was right below and above it was black. So yeah, it appeared very swollen at the first attempt, but then it was all up. Hey guys, we are back, and it's been 25 days. I'm shooting it after 25 days, and this is how my tattoo looks like, a closer look. So it's like you have to wrap up this tattoo for about 20 to 25 days, and then you get this tattoo afterwards. You remove that poly bag, and that's how it's to be done. So there should not be enough sunlight catching up the tattoo, not so much of water catching up with the tattoo, and your tattoo is safe if you are having that poly bag or that elastic that we say on above the tattoo. They charge somewhat extra for this, but it was amazing experience.